Menteri Rangma Kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Karsau Trik Jemang Leithu Banadu Kani Kesengi ke Regional Committee Jombro Arteli Kejala kata ke Assam ke Meghalaya kin salib benjuri pikir Hendriu Teli Jaka Badangsa kebadan hapning kejing kaja bagi sapari ke kaipot hubna jeliu hakabawan sedanpat sekajing elang ban kemi biang halor kani keman.
From today, the regional committees of both the state will start meeting, start visiting the other 6 sites or other 6 areas where difference still exists.
Habagre sila pai kubor hadin kejing elang baar jong baro arti Kejala halor kejing penbeg uput jong Hendriu Teli Jaka ki badan hapeng kejing kaja kebelalong hakna para Guwahati mentasngi nakaliang usarma ula penpau ya kejing sos kem kejing penbeg put kan long kham koloi banyak kabalak mi lenti.
For the first time, we are interacting at the official level, and I believe that through a process of discussion, mutual trust and confidence, we will be able to resolve the other 6 area of disputes much earlier than what we are expecting.